Meaning of felt.
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 Felt. Felt can have multiple definitions, but it commonly refers to the past tense of the verb to feel. This means to experience an emotion or a physical sensation. For example, if someone says I felt sad, it means they experienced the emotion of sadness. The word felt may also refer to a material made from compressed fibers, often used in crafts like sewing or upholstery. When referring to this material, felt is usually soft and durable, making it useful for a variety of applications like insulation, soundproofing, and decoration.